Hello everybody, I come back again. We are continuing with answering our junior examination question paper 1. Question number 2. They say that given f of x it is equal to 2x plus 6, determine the numerical value of the discriminant. Okay, let's see. So what is a discriminant? 2.1.1. Discriminant is given by delta, which is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So from this equation that we have, we know that this is a, this is b, this is c. Take the values and then substitute and give us the value of the discriminant. So our b is 1, so we're going to have 1 squared minus 4 into a is 2, and then c was going to give us 6. So the value here of our discriminant, to just put everything into your calculator, you're going to have negative 47. Done. You're not doing anything more than this. So the value of our discriminant is negative 47. So yes. 2.1.2, describe the nature of the roots of the equation. If the discriminant is negative, it means that the roots are not real. So here we're just going to say that the roots are non-real. Just write that the roots are non-real. Aha. That's what we have. And then 2.2, question 2, guys, is 3 marks. Is where you're supposed to get, you score everything, you must get total here. Determine the numerical value of t for which this equation will have non-real roots without solving the equation. Okay, they've just given you an idea of what is meant by non-real roots. So it means that your discriminant must be less than 0. If you look at this one here, by less than 0, we are looking at anything that is negative. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to have my discriminant to be less than 0. That's what I'm going to have. And so I'm going to firstly start by determining my discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. This must be less than 0. So from this one, now we have a is negative 1 here. So here a is negative 1, b is 3, and then your c is going to be 2t. So we're going to solve for t basically. So b is going to be 3. So we're going to have 3 squared minus 4. A is negative 1, and then c is going to be 2t. This must be less than 0. So our aim is to find the value of t. So we're going to have 9, and then you're going to say negative 4 multiplied by negative 1 is going to give us 4 times 2. It's going to give us positive 8t. Must be less than 0. So we're going to solve. Transpose 9, you're going to have 8t is going to be negative 9, and then you divide both sides by 8, making t to be less than negative 9 over 8. And yes, and then that is it. Yes, that is just it. Question 2, it was just simple and straightforward. Let's see what we can do in the next segment when we tackle question number 3. Bye bye.